Boyfriend, insane chemistry, amnesia, I'm sold. Yes, you're right, I'm talking about Ash Tequila. So, before unleashing my views on Over It, let's see the storyline. So, the storyline starts she wakes up in the hospital with completely loss of the memory, classic trope, amnesia. He walks in very calmly and tells, I'm your boyfriend. She does not believe it, and that's where the plot starts. So my review about this story is very beautiful drama, very slow burning romantic drama. The small things they do for each other, fake love story turned into a real love story. The transition you see, it's very nice. The main lead, we should talk about the main lead, Jung Hain. He plays a role of a gangster. I loved him in this drama. He played a role of a gangster. I could not believe he was a gangster. He was so cute, and whenever he smiled, I had butterflies. I mean, I'm just looking at the screen and smiling and seeing him smile. So he is that shy nature and awkwardness when she's around him. Beautiful, very very beautiful. The supporting characters, they were outstanding. I loved the aunties a lot. They were like they were the CCTVs, and so somehow I like such kind of a drama where the supporting role has a they play an important role for the main leads. So I love that. He Initially I did not like him that much, but over the episodes he played a good role and an important role, so I kind of liked him. What I didn't like about the drama is the last two episodes were little draggy. It could have been finished in 10 or 11 episodes, and also the fight scenes I did not like. They were too lengthy. Well, it could have been shortened, but yes, I did not like it. In the end, there is a twist. I don't want to reveal that. That was very cringy, but somehow it was nice. So my verdict for this drama is, if you like cheesy, sappy dramas, slow romance, then definitely you should watch this, and it should be in your watch list. So go and watch it and tell me in the comment section how did you like it.